Finding international customers for exports requires a systematic approach and effective strategies. Here is a breakdown of the steps involved in expanding your export market and reaching international customers. Market research plays a vital role in identifying potential target markets. Conduct thorough research to understand the demand for your products, competitive landscape, market size, cultural preferences, and regulatory requirements. This information will help you prioritize markets and tailor your marketing efforts accordingly. To establish a strong online presence, create a professional website that showcases your products or services. Optimize your website for search engines to increase visibility. Leverage social media platforms and online marketplaces to reach a wider audience. Utilize targeted online advertising to reach potential customers in specific markets. Attending trade shows and exhibitions is an excellent way to connect with international customers. Participate in international trade events relevant to your industry to network with potential customers, distributors, and agents from different countries. Display your products, gather market insights, and establish valuable business connections. Collaborating with trade organizations and government agencies can provide valuable support. Seek assistance from these entities, as they often offer resources, market intelligence, and networking opportunities. They can help you gain access to international markets and connect with potential customers. Building strong distribution channels is crucial for reaching international customers. Identify and partner with reliable distributors, agents, or resellers in your target markets. These local partners can assist with navigating cultural differences, managing logistics, and establishing a presence in their respective markets. Conduct due diligence to ensure their credibility and compatibility with your business objectives. Leveraging international trade platforms and directories can expand your reach. Utilize these platforms to showcase your products and connect with potential customers. They serve as marketplaces where importers and exporters can discover and engage in business transactions. Participating in trade missions and delegations organized by your government or industry associations can be highly beneficial. These missions involve visiting target markets, attending business meetings, and engaging in networking events. They provide opportunities to directly meet potential customers, understand their needs, and build relationships. Providing exceptional customer service and support is crucial for success in international markets. Respond promptly to inquiries, communicate clearly, and handle any issues efficiently. Positive experiences will encourage repeat business and referrals. Stay informed about international trade regulations and compliance requirements. Understand the import-export regulations of your target countries, including customs procedures, documentation, tariffs, and product standards. Complying with these regulations will enhance your credibility and facilitate smooth transactions. Cultivating relationships and adapting to cultural differences is essential. Invest time in understanding cultural nuances, customs, and business etiquette in your target markets. Respect and adapt to local practices to establish trust and foster long-term partnerships. Expanding into international markets requires time, effort, and a strategic approach. Continuous learning, adaptability, and a customer-centric mindset are key factors in successfully finding international customers for your exports.